again. We got a sweet view. Or not the cottage, sorry, on vacation anyways. And we are running the AC off of the reliable again. We have power on the site, but can't run the AC and the microwave at the same time. It pops breakers. My little guy just woke up. Cutie pie. And so, yeah, solar is powering this. We are fully charged. The solar hasn't even kicked in yet. You can do it. Maybe not. Anyways, it's 54 watts. This one hose system works pretty good. I just turned it on, so we're only at 84 in here. But I'm going to be changing this to a 2 hose system, and I'll make a video on how I do that. And we are making some quick breakfast. How's it going, guys? It's going off grid again, and we're in North Carolina at our Banks, the campground called Frisco. I really like this campground. Just showing you my setup. It's so hot here. It's 30 plus pretty much every day. Got the power sitting there kind of hidden. We got a 80 watt panel, a 60 watt panel charging that, so that should get charged today. Then we got our house trailer with a 300 watt folding solar panel on the roof. Go up here and show you guys quickly. So there's our 670 watts of solar. They're really dirty. There's the 300 watt folding solar panel. That's limited by this charge controller. That can only put out so much power. I don't know if you can see any of that. Reaching as high as I can. That's wire. I just hooked it up because we did not have enough power last night for AC, and it was killer. AC ran out at about 3 o'clock in the morning. It ran solid though. This thing's got to be going wide open when it's this hot out. Here we go. We got the batteries. They're pretty low, sitting at 42.6. The main array is putting out 400-ish watts. And then I just got this is just I just put a cut in the wire so I can clamp those clamps on. And then I also have my makeshift charger. This is 400 watts from the generator. I'll run that at night for a little bit to get as much runtime out of this AC as possible, because this little guy does not like the heat. And yeah, everything's working pretty good. After is the last night we're gonna spend camping or boondocking, and then we're gonna go to a site with power. Got our propane fridge. I'm gonna be doubling my batteries in this trailer. I'm gonna make it at 8 kilowatts to 4 kilowatts, because 4 kilowatts does not get us through the night with this. It did when it was only 26, 27 in Canada, but here 30 plus, it does not. Can't keep up. I'm also changing this from a one hose system to a 2 hose system, which is going to work awesome. What else? I don't think I have anything else to update. Everything is just working real good. Just want to give you guys a quick video. Thanks for watching. How's it going, guys? Going off grid. I'm reaching up, trying to reach this charge controller. I don't know if you can see it, but we're making 28 watts out of a 300 watt portable solar panel, folding solar panel. Sun is going down. We don't have much sunlight left. I got the 1000 watt Black Max over there in the distance running, and the Black Max is running this ceiling fan, which is actually not open enough. The wind tends to close it a little bit. Open up a little bit more. This little fan running. Batteries are sitting at 49.3 volts. Black Max is also running the trailer pump, and we're charging the batteries to my makeshift charger, and we're just trying to get full charge until so we can run the AC tonight, so we don't get too hot. It's not as hot tonight as last night. That's one really good thing. Anyways, just giving you guys a update on what I've been doing. The reliable inverter has been kicking butt. I have temperature probes in here, and it's been so freaking hot and it's been 40 Celsius in here, and the fans have been running, and it's just chucking along nicely. And as you can see, I spray foamed this unit in here nicely, and I cannot wait to make this a 2-hose system and not a 1-hose system. 1-hose system does suck. It's only like 60% efficient or something stupid. So 1-hose systems, garbage. 2-hose systems, awesome. And whoever told me that in a few comments, thank you.